What's the meaning of contempt of court? Contempt of court. Contempt of court.
Contempt of court. Contempt of court. Contempt of court refers to any action that interferes with the normal functioning of the court or undermines the authority of the court. This may include disobeying a court order, disrupting court proceedings, or showing disrespect for the judge or the legal system. The consequences of being found in contempt of court vary depending on the severity of the offense and the jurisdiction in which the court is located. Punishments may include fines, imprisonment, or community service, and can have long-lasting effects on a person's reputation and legal standing.